This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scarnecchia. Great location in East Boca, close to all the laundry room and assigned storage unit are just steps away. Enjoy an assigned parking space and plenty of guest water, sewer, and trash removal. Walk to shopping, bus stops, the public library, MIZNER Park, and Brightline. All schools are rated. Boca Elementary is just 2 blocks away. Ideal downtown Boca location. CAB rented right away, great for investors. For more information, review the details below or contact Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.